In a letter to Election Commission, All India Anna Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam, AIADMK, Advocates Wing said that income tax raids are being conducted at properties linked to its MLAs and ministers that are politically motivated. The party seeks immediate restraint on unwanted raids. I hereby request your good office to kindly take this representation as a serious issue on behalf of AIADMK party, as well the leaders who are all affected by the raid and restrained by stopping their election campaign. Further, it is the intention of the DMK and Congress leaders to create a bad image of AIADMK leaders in view of the general public. Further, at this crucial time of election is under process, these activities are clear political motivated revenge by the DMK and Congress leaders. This action of income tax officials is a willful violation of the provisions of Rule 123, Section 7 of the Representation of People Act. You are much aware that any action of official machinery which would give political advantages to any particular party or candidate is a violation of the said provisions of Representation of People Act. Income tax raids targeting so many candidates and leaders of our party which are taking place in Tamil Nadu in the last 1 week are a deliberate violation of poll laws. Besides intimidating and interrupting is an abuse of official machinery by DMK and Indian National Congress favoring officials. We want to bring to your personal attention that though these raids are done based on a specific tip-off as claimed by the tax officials, the facts are contrary to the truth as the names of sources are never revealed, AIADMK stated. During raids, false information is leaked out to media about an alleged seizure of cash etc. But after a couple of days, it is said nothing incriminating was captured. Unfortunately, I am constrained to tell that the Election Commission has done little to stop such undemocratic and illegal activities done by DMK and Indian National Congress party leaders. Henceforth, we request you to look into the matter urgently and take necessary actions immediately, from restraining the Income Tax Department from conducting any unwanted raid search, which are deliberate violations of the provisions of Representation of People Act and its rules, in particular, Rule 123, and ensure free and fair polls in Tamil Nadu. I further request you to take proper action against all officials who misuse their official powers and violate poll laws, making a mockery of the election process. Assembly elections in Tamil Nadu will be held on April 6. The counting of votes will take place on May 2.